here?
Well, what brought me here is that I'm the chief organizer of this Congress. Basically, I brought everybody else here. Me, of course, not me alone, but me and my team. We're responsible for organizing this. So we are here usually, and we are happy. And we've invited everybody else, and we're so glad everybody else is here.
Tell us what you expect to gain from this Congress.
Yeah, I expect to gain, many interesting meetings with people from really all over the world, and I've already had these. There are so many interesting students presenting their research, and coming from all over the world, meeting new people from different cultures. And of course, there's also an interesting exchange on the faculty level with faculty and coordinators, which might help us have more international contacts regarding undergraduate research.
Tell us something about the connections you've already made at the Congress. How did you network and how did you meet new people?
Yeah, okay, that was of course easy because everybody's so open, and we had already had some networking experiences, networking activities. For example, on the first evening we had that get-together where I met many new people. And of course I'm networking within our Congress committee and meeting them, of course, a lot and talking about the future of the Congress.
How does it feel to be part of such an international group of people?
I think this is really the main aspect, the main feature, and the main characteristic of this Congress, that it is really so international, that we have 35 countries here, and seeing what really unites us all, that is a passion for science, and that is amazing.
How would you describe this experience to your friends? What will you take home with you, or what will stay with you here? And what did you find inspiring?
I keep repeating myself, I'm afraid. Young people from all over the world coming together, sharing their passion for science. That is the most amazing thing about this Congress.
And for the end, tell us your name and where you come from in your native language.
Ja, ich heiße Susanne Haberstroh und ich arbeite hier an der Uni Oldenburg.